Hello. You can take this tip. What? Wow. And this is a Snoopy. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, lots. Wow. $37,000. That would take her ever to pay all her money. Hey, open the door, me. Here's the light. In building 22, the lift there is... Oh my gosh. Oh my god, the lift no works. Sorry. Go to the... Oh my gosh, the lift in building 22 no works. This lift, it's out of service. Hey, the other thing. But my dad to see where the lift will stop. Oh no. No loss of lifts now. Because one has been out of service. Wow, with this in here works. He has been two persons has been stuck in the lift, but this is. It has been old bros. Oh my gosh, old bros. This is old bros, no the fat bros. This has been Hammer Bro, Ice Bro, Boom Bro. You see, he gets stuck in the elevator, he gets banned from the building, he gets grounded. In 22 I can be shouted because the lift no works. What? And now we... Oh no! Sir, are you okay? Oh then. Look there, they still down to B2. Look there. Here too, it's your basement floors of this unit. Oh then. Thanks. Let's go up to pretend. Can't catch me. Are you sure you want to catch me?
Ya, hasta luego.